Multi-purpose home office writing computer desk, modern simple study desk industrial style workstation laptop table with storage shelf workstation student study desk wood table. Multi-purpose and functional, it is suitable for study room, bedroom, living room and office, can be served as a computer table, office workstation, study table, writing desk or gaming desk. Large work surface 104 x 50 x 70 cm 40.9 x 19.6 x 27.5 and dot dimension can easily accommodate your laptop, keyboard, books, files, desk accessories. Privacy panel design, it suits a variety of diverse environments and offers a self-contained space to you. It can be installed in a matter of minutes. Solid construction, the overall structure is stable, the workbench is wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and has no odor. High stability and easy to assemble, the overall style is stylish. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.